Your body is highly organized. It contains organs that are specialized to perform particular tasks. For example, your skin receives sensory information and help prevent infection. Your intestines digest food. Your kidneys filter wastes. And your bones protect and support other organs. On a much smaller scale, your cells have a similar division of labor. They contain specialized structures that work together to respond to stimuli and efficiently carry out other necessary processes. The first structure which helps cells maintain their shape and internal organization is a cytoskeleton. Next episode, we will learn the structure and function of the cytoskeleton.